Ahoy, sailors!
Hey, have you guys ever been on a Virgin Voyages cruise and it's getting late in the night and you're starving, or you've had a few drinks and you need to eat something? We're going to show you where the late night eat places are that you can get something to eat after midnight.
Right, I'm Bob.
And I'm Kelly.
We're going to show you these late night places that are open till 12 or later.
Or all night.
Yeah, or all night. But we'll tell you which ones are which and when they close. So we're going to start off with everybody's favorite. I know everybody loves it. I love this. Do you love this?
You know, I'm not a pizza person.
No.
I have to really be in the mood for pizza.
Right.
But you can get pizza up until
2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Yes, the pizza place is open until 2 a.m. and we're going to show you where it is.
Yes.
Because currently we are in the roundabout.
Yeah, so this is on deck 7. So you'll find it on deck 7.
Midship.
It's right next to the ice cream place.
Yeah, if you see Lick Me Till I Scream, just take a left and it'll be right there. All right, let's go to the pizza place.
So just past the roundabout, you're gonna find the ice cream place, Lick Me Till I Scream. This guy just has ice cream, and you can see on the little things, this one closes at 10, but if you want some ice cream before 10, you can come here. I think this is demo ice cream, or is it real?
No, this is the real thing.
That's real? Look
Yes.
at how good that looks.
This is after they freshly put it in.
Yeah.
And this, I'll tell you, this is amazing.
Yeah. So this is really, really good ice cream. So you can get 1 scoop or 2 scoops. Choose your own cone, choose your flavor. You can get it in a cup too if you're not a cone person.
Right.
So this is the pizza place. This bad boy is open until 2 a.m., right?
Yep.
So you can come in here, order your pizza. There's places to sit, and there's places outside you can sit. And it looks like
Usually
there's
the menus are here.
Okay. And is that like a little grab and go? Oh, that you can get like sodas and stuff here.
Right.
Smells like pizza.
For the pizza place, if you don't see something you like, you can have them custom make a pizza for you, but you can only use the ingredients they put on the other pizzas.
Right, so if you see like a pizza with like chicken and white sauce and but you don't like all that stuff, you can take some of those ingredients and put it on a different.
Or you can add like pepperoni to anything.
Yeah.
It's just whatever ingredients they have, you can put it on a pizza.
Cool.
But you can't, they will not pull them out of midair and make like anchovies.
Yeah, they can't like put anchovies or artichokes or anything on there if it's not on the menu.
Right.
So let's go to the social club next, and we'll show you where you can get some hot dogs, some adult milkshakes, other kind of milkshakes. They got a full bar, pretzels, popcorn, gummy bears, Bob's favorite. So we're gonna go there next. Alright guys, this is the social club. This is where you're going to find all your trivia. You can find board games, you can play cards, there's lots of places to sit. But the cool thing is they've got food for you guys until midnight. So you'll see on the menu up here, you can get hot dogs. These are the different kind of hot dogs. Reuben hot dog, Philly hot dog, vegan hot dog. They've got pretzels. They've got popcorn, they've got chicken wings, and then they've got floats. You can get non-alcoholic or alcoholic floats, which is super cool. The cool thing about the hot dogs is they're Nathan's hot dogs, so you know they're going to be good.
Yeah, and they're really good.
This is also the place where they're going to show you sports games. Like if there's a big football game, you can watch it here. You can also watch it upstairs at the aquatic club.
There's usually always something happening in the social club.
A lot. All right, so you guys are like, Bob and Kelly, it's after 10 o'clock, it's after 12 o'clock, where do I go? You're going to haul your happy butt up to the Galley.
Oh yeah, after 12 o'clock, this is where you need to be.
Yeah, so we're going to show you guys where the latest places are open next, and then we're going to show you where you can get food 24/7. All right, guys, welcome to the Galley.
Okay, there are a lot of choices in the Galley, but only 3 will be open late.
Okay.
The rest of them close around 3.
Yeah, so you can always also take these little grab and go things and take them to your room. So like there's sushi in the little bento boxes here. You're welcome to grab one of those and go take it to your room, put it in your fridge for later. Sometimes these are closed like this, but you can also find stuff that you can just pick up and go take it to your room. They've got salads, they've got desserts, they've got a chicken salad, sandwiches, crudité, stuff like that. You can even put some dressing in these little thingies. They make it convenient for you to take it to your room and go. And they've got silverware, fruit, apple in a box, anyone? You can also always come up and get drinks 24/7. You can get juice, sodas. So this is called Well Bread. You've got like muffins, pizza, things like that. It closes at 12 a.m.
And then there's
Desserts.
desserts. Yummy. Okay, so this is the burger bar. It closes at 2 a.m. So anytime you want to come up till 2 o'clock in the morning, you can grab a burger, you can get some fries. Yes,
Best fries. Best fries ever.
Best fries ever.
Okay, so this is going to be your 24-hour option, guys. This is called Diner and Dash. You can come up here. It's open 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. You can get breakfast. They've got made to order like omelets, things like that, hash browns, bacon, beans, stuff like that. You can come up here any time of the day, any time of the night, and get something to eat. One last option. So now we're going to talk about one other place that you can get food 24/7.
Ship Eats.
Ship Eats. Basically, what that is room service.
Right.
Yeah, so you can access the menu on your phone. You can have it delivered either to your cabin, you can have it delivered to a friend's cabin if you're with a friend, or you can have it delivered to wherever you are on the ship.
Right.
So if you're like out here, we're on the outside part of the galley seating area. If you want to hang out here, have food delivered to you at 2 o'clock in the morning, they will bring it out here to you.
Yeah, there's a spot on the app that asks which location that you want. Is it in your room or another location?
Yeah,
you can
so
put that in.
Really easy. So there is a $10 delivery fee for that unless you order something that costs money. If it does cost money, then you can they'll waive that kind of delivery fee. So we hope that helped you guys out if you're looking for something to eat late night.
When you just gotta have something to eat, and
Yeah.
there's not a Jack-in-a-Box around.
You're never going to be without food.
Yeah,
promise
that's
you
for
that.
sure.
So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have found it helpful, we would really appreciate it if you gave us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, ding the notification bell so that you do know when we post, and we will see you guys next time.
Okay.
All right, thanks for watching. Love you,
Love
bye.
you, bye.